Hello viewers, welcome to Techsial. This is my first video in a series to learn Android with Techsial. So in this first video, we will create and run a very basic Android application. So if you haven't installed Android Studio, you can go to developer.android.com/studio and you can download and install Android Studio from here. So here is our Android Studio which is already installed. So let's open it. So it will take some time to open. Here we are. After opening Android Studio on our first screen, there are multiple options, such as start a new Android Studio project, open an existing Android Studio project. So if you have already any Android Studio project within your PC or laptop, you can choose the second option. But as we are creating our first Android application, so and it is a new Android Studio project, so we will be selecting start a new Android Studio project. So let's move. So here you can see there are multiple tabs such as phone and tablet, Wear OS, TV, Android Auto, Android things. So as we are creating our application for phone or it may be a tablet, so we will be selecting phone and tablet, and under this option there are multiple basically templates. You can see full screen activity, navigation, drawer activity. So as this is our first time and we are creating a very basic Android application, so we are selecting empty activity. So let's click next. On the next screen here, basically you can provide the configuration of your Android project, such as this is the name of your Android project. So let's type here Android with Techsial. So this is our project name. Below is the package name. Here you can type the package name of your Android application. Basically, the package name means it should uniquely identify your Android application. For example, on the Play Store there are millions of Android application. Every application should be uniquely identified. So the package name is for this purpose. Uh, it basically uniquely identifies every application. It means every application on the Play Store have a unique package name which identifies that application. So here this is our package name, which is com.techsial.apps.android with Techsial. Below is the save location. This is basically the location where I have created the project within the Android workspace. The project name is Android with Techsial. Below is the language. From here you can select the language of your project, for example Kotlin or Java. For the timing I'm using Kotlin as it is the latest one, so the language is Kotlin. And the other option below you can see is minimum API level. Here I have selected API level 21. This means that our Android application will support Android OS with API level 21 and above. Means the Lollipop and the above OS will be supported by our Android application. You can also select others such as API level 19. It will also support KitKat, KitKat So it is for this purpose to select the minimum API level. So this is the basic configuration of our Android project. So let's finish this. After finishing, it will basically start configuring our Android Studio project. As you can see here, there are some processes running, so it is basically uh, configuring our Android project. So you can see it is configured and it has loaded our main activity. Main activity basically means our main screen. So it has a basic layout which is activity main here. So we can open it from here, or you can move to uh, for example application, or you can select from here the project structure, and you can move to the application directory. Here within the source directory there will be a main directory, and in the Java there will be your source code. Here this is the main activity, which is this one, and the layout for the main activity is this one, which is or.layout. Means it reside within the resources or main resources, and here within the resource directory there is a layout directory, this one. It represent basically this layout directory, and within this layout directory this is the activity main. So to open activity main you can control and click this one, it will open, and here in the text format you can see this is our constraint layout, which is covering the whole screen, and within this constraint layout there's only one a text view which says hello world. So we can change it. For example, I'm writing here our first Techsial app. Okay, so this is the text. You can further, for example, change the text size. uh, Text size, this one, for example I write here 20 dp. Okay, so it has actually changed the text size. Okay, so let's this is very basic application. It only contains a simple text view. It has only one screen, which has a layout, this one, and it is the basically main activity Java class, which can actually contain the logic for it depends upon your requirement. So let's just for the time we are running this application in the emulator. So let's wait. It is I have already opened the emulator, so it will install the application and execute within this emulator. So let's wait. So it is now installing our application into the emulator. So it has just launched our application. So this is our first application with the same text as we written here, our first Techsial app. So here is the text, our first Techsial. So this was a very basic for you can say video to learn Android. So in the upcoming videos I will be discussing the structure of Android projects, such as these directories, main, Java, and resources directories, and also how to create the emulator, or you can also run your application into your mobile devices, Android devices, by attaching the device through USB cable. So that's all for now. I hope you enjoyed the video. So please don't forget to subscribe for the upcoming videos. So thank you. See you in the next video.